Hi vlog. Is this day 20 or 19? I don't know. I just woke up, y'all. This vlog is spend the day with me. Realistic. It's 9:40. I wanted to wake up earlier, but I couldn't. This is the agenda today. Workout. Clean room. Like, and I mean like surface clean. Trying to do skincare. I need a full size because this little I really want to do a deep clean. Let's fill up my water bottle. So I can't find my TV remote. I've been looking for it for a good little minute, so that just show I need to clean up my room. Because what you mean you can't find the TV remote? Like, it's, I swear I fell asleep with it last night, but whatever. We have 4 packages on. So I bought some glue sticks because I'm making a scrapbook, guys. And I bought like this scrapbook paper, like it's like a bunch of like different paper type things for like to design my scrapbook. I always buy the EO Strawberry Dream Lotion. That's my favorite, y'all. My Camille rolls that I ordered on Black Friday. So this it's been like what 3-4 weeks. The Curl Maker Defining Soft Hold Gel. I got the Guava Slip Detangling Conditioner. The Guava Slip Detangling Shampoo. Got the Moisture Love Moisture Milk. Guava Slip Heavy on Hold Extreme Gel. This isn't the neatest I've made it, but I just love, y'all. I just love my Christmas Hello Kitty blanket. Like, it's so cute. Like, ah! I remember I wanted this one so bad last year, and my boyfriend found it. Because here in my state, it's hard as fuck to find. Oh my god, this is literally my favorite one. Like, look at it. It's so cute. Like, she's a gingerbread girl. Gingerbread man. What you call this? Candy cane. Like a Christmas ornament cookie. The sugar cookie. Like, this is so cute. All my plushies, they just chilling. And then underneath, I have like just a white rainbow Hello Kitty one. But I did all that to say I still haven't found my remote. So where the fuck is my... Oh, it might be in my... Let's hope it's in my vanity, y'all. Okay, so now that the bid is made and this is... The ottoman is clear. The only thing that should be on my ottoman... I was trying to keep these pouches on there. No, the pouches are gone in the closet. Whatever workout outfit I'm wearing, that's what's gonna be on my ottoman. That should... These clothes. Put them in the basket. I don't know. Do something. I don't know. Guess who found the remote? Hooray! Yes, I found the remote. It was inside one of my pillowcases. Alright, y'all. So y'all see the bed. I just swept my floor a little bit. It is other stuff I do need to move, but I don't want to do that today. Clothes is put, you know. Now we're gonna wipe everything down. So we're gonna wipe down this. My desk is a mess. My dresser. My mirrors. So this ain't the stupidest, but this is one of them. My shit that I could have done. Okay, y'all. So look at these two, and this is the new one. So if y'all use EOS, y'all know that should be hard as fuck to get out. Like once you get to a certain part, it'd be hard as fuck to get out. So you're gonna have an empty container. You're gonna remove the top. Anything that's stuck to the top, you're gonna scrape that off. You see that? Like a butthole side. Right? Grab your scissors, cut it in half, and it'll pop off. Then you just scrape what's inside and put it in there. Alright, y'all, so let me show y'all how much is in here. It's literally filled to the brim. So that's when I say do not be throwing away your lotion once it stops pumping out. Get a container and fill that bitch up. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I have a pink one. Okay, now I'm gonna edit my TikTok video I just filmed. Why is it charging? That's what I'm confused about. But look at my vanity mirror. It's 4:06. I'm about to get my makeup. Born Whitney Houston. Y'all, I don't like my makeup. Do it look good? Like, I can't really tell. Like, I don't know. Like, I'm looking at it. I don't really like it. I changed my mind about cooking. We got stuff. I wash my face. It's 8:30. I'm out the shower. Now we got a flat iron. The wig is done. It's 9:22. I'm so tired, y'all. Look at it. I don't like this wig, but it look good straightened. This is how I'm ending off the night. It's 9:32. We had a long day. My back hurt. My makeup ain't turned out how I wanted, but at least my room is clean. I'm about to get in my bed. Yeah. This is a Hello Kitty Love You So Much mask. So